Kasi at one point in time, di ba, na parang, let's say 13 or 12, many were saying na panalo yan or praying or hoping. But nag-surprise na number 2, di ba? And as I was saying kanina, yung from 7 to 1, from 5 to 1, from nowhere to 10 to 9 to 1. But eto parang, I haven't really combed the surveys,
peripheral.
diba?
Sa maraming surveys.
Parang sa lahat ng tao, parang ang best mo, 11, 12, 13, then suddenly number 2, di ba? And then, talking to some professionals naman, I asked some professionals na who do polling talaga, not the polling firms, no, but some people who interpret and look it. Sabi nila, they were expecting him to, if he does very well in Central Luzon, where the Aquinos naman are really from, mananalo. But na-surprise sila na yung traditional Lingayen to Lucena corridor, if dun sa mga nanonood, dati parating binabanggit yan di ba? Pero it extended pati sa sa Calabarzon. And then in certain areas sa Visayas, as expected yung sa Mindanao, but even a little bit better than that. I mean, it wasn't sa Mindanao, hindi yung parang papasok sa 12 yan ng number 6, but let's say in Metro Manila na 1, 2, and 3, na-surprise din yung marami. Diba? But it turns out na so many people like him that so, hindi yung parang surprise ng, bakit? O ba't siya number 2? Parang so many people were actually happy to see him back. No? And it's a pleasant surprise.
What accounted for
so, ibig sabihin, maraming nakatago na praying, supporting him.
Ang pro-Duterte ay hindi pumasok si Bam as opposed to the opposite.
If I may, Kuya Boy, I'll follow ulit yung kay Bongo na sinunod ka. Okay. The candidate, di ba? Bongo and Bam, good candidates. I mean, they're good people. They, di ba? They're former senators, etc. Ganyan. Okay. Messaging, kung malinaw yung messaging ni SBG, alter ego ni Duterte, Malasakit Center, serbisyo ko, serbisyo. That's why he's always there giving shoes, fire victims. Kay Bam, it was also very simple, di ba? I mean, he did not have to say anymore yung role niya kay Pinoy, kay Vice President Lenny. He didn't have to say anymore whether yellow or pink. But finocus niya dun sa education. He's young. He looks young.
At saka magandang phrasing.
Dynamic.
Ama ng libreng kolehiyo na ang magre-resulta sa trabaho.
Yeah, and if you look
and stuck to that.
Yeah, and if you look at it, basic pero maganda. And nung araw, ganun talaga ang campaign. But siguro pag hindi masyadong noisy, paramihan. But since it was so noisy, then yung fresh looking, and then apparently a lot of people like him that hindi so in fact when Bam said eto yung mga former senator na tumulong sa akin, nagkagulatan din kami na pare-pare pala tayong kaibigan na tumulong quietly, no?